Hey, do you want to learn how to get Claude API key? In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step. So let's get to it. So first you need to open up your web browser, and then on top, you're going to find this URL. You need to type in platform.claude.com, and you need to log into your account. After that, it's going to take you over to this dashboard page. On it, on the top right corner, you're going to find this get API key. If you click on it, it's going to ask you to buy credits, which you have to do, of course. But if you just want to make an API key, what you could do is on the left hand side, you can go over to this API keys right here. You can click on it. And then on the right, you can press on this on the top right corner, create key. And then you'll find this pop up. You just need to press on this continue with API key here. Type in the secret name for it like this. And if you want it to expire on a certain date, time that you can set here. So let's just say 3 hours, and then press on this add button. And then it's going to give you your API key right here. You can save it, copy it, and save it somewhere because you will not be able to see it again. Press on this done button, and that is it. Now you can use this API key in your tool or anywhere that you want to use. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Claude AI related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.